And hello everybody, Nibikogara. Now let's hop right into an updated magic tutorial for the Phoenix Craft server. So what you're going to do is that you're going to have a wand. The wand's going to be the pinnacle of all your magic-y activities. I gave myself like 64 because, you know, pretty cool. Alright, here's how you craft it. You got a stick, you got an emerald, you got an amethyst, and you got a diamond. You're going to be using a lot of these things for a similar sort of task, like the magic hat, with some wool, some end rods, amethyst, and we'll go into the other recipes in just a second. So the wand, it works pretty simply. You get a bunch of spells, which you can learn spells by right-clicking on your enchanting table. Just see good old enchanting table, right-click it with a wand, click learn spells. You click on a spell, you learn it. Ba-bam, now it's in your list. You can also here check spell progress, as you can level up your spells by casting them. You can use instructions, be able to update yourself and figure out how to use it nice and fancy. Change how your wand looks, change different effect colors, and even you can control the way the wand works and the control, like your hotkeys and stuff like that. So it's a very utilizable and configurable plugin for your own personal liking. Now, basics of how it works is that you're going to learn your spells. You're going to cast your spells by left-clicking. By right-clicking, you can cycle from left to right through your spells. You can also do Q, or for me, it's Q, which is dropping an item, which will change between the two different hotbars, as you have your own custom hotbar that you can use. And whenever you want to exit the magic, when you're using this higher hotbar, just click a different slot than your wand. You can also, when you're in this, do this little drop, and now it's in your inventory, and you can quickly click a number. So I hit 3, I go to blind. Now I can cast blind. I click 2, now I stop to my boon that I earlier cast. You still have the right click to cycle from left to right option. And then you have one other thing. To switch hands, it's the same key as switching hands. You hit and it switches the this list of spells. So if you learn enough spells, you can have multiple different hotbars that you can quickly and easily cycle through. So if I go to this one and hit R like this, as you can see, it cycles through the different spells, and now I can easily access many more spells than I already have. And that's pretty much how you use the wand. There's a lot more items than the wand. You also got some armor that you can craft in this way. The apprentice set. You got night vision goggles, and I don't even know how to pronounce it. Ocarina? Somebody in the comments fix me on the pronunciation of that word, please. Alright, and then you also got like emerald swords, you got flash boots, you got, let's see, an XF armor, you got wizard's armor, which costs just a little bit more, but more so it's just like using some fancier purple wool, because purple, the color of royalty, it's amazing. And then here we have some of the more useful ones and sort of utility base. You got a spell book. You got mana talisman, so if you're holding this in your offhand, you're able to get some bonuses. You also got a magic sword that you can cast spells through, a magic bow to cast magic arrows, and also a mirror shield, which you can use for when you're in a magic fight to reflect the enemy's spells right back at them. So yeah, and that's pretty much already it. Now, if you ever need to get a quick reminder and don't want to watch this entire video, just go to our website. See our website right here. You go to our wiki, just click on the good link, click on magic, and right here you got the video tutorial, which will give you a link to this video you're watching right now, a quick reference to how the wands work and how the different things work, and then a list of visuals for every single custom recipe that is in our wonderful game. Alright, well that concludes it already. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you're able to enjoy the wonderful magic features that we have on the Phoenix Craft server. See y'all again.